I got in the second row of LEDs today, so I can try 500 LEDs on the Mud Dart RC LED controller. So this is the way they come. They come on a spool, somewhat reminiscent. It sort of looks like exactly a old tape recording reel or an old Super 8 video reel. So this roll has 500 LEDs on it. There they go. And this will simply plug into the other roll with this connector. It's already on it. So this is going to be simple, just to plug these 300 into the other 300 and have 200 more working. Just fun for me to actually make 200 more work for the full 500. I won't use these like this on drones and stuff, but the two 600 LED, 300 LED rolls, or the whole 600 LEDs, I can cut. There's a way to cut these right down through the center of these sorter pads, and you can have any number of LEDs that you want. So for me, the whole 600 was kicks and grins and fun to see if Mud Dart RC actually addresses 500, which I have no reason to believe they don't. And after that little fun time, I have 600 LEDs here. I can cut into strips of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 50, whatever I need to cut them into. So I'll be pretty much in LEDs for a long time. Well, here's the 300 you've already seen. I don't have much space down here. I'll lay them out in a line here. So there's the 300 that I already had on it. This spool was wound backwards. So when I connected the additional 300, the connector on the end wasn't right. And the direction arrow on the LEDs, you can see right there below that LED, the spool's kind of wound backwards. So I did set up the other 200 LEDs on the 32-foot strip now, of which 16 feet still on this roll. So I have a group of 50 doing a blue back and forth, and then another 50 doing a kind of a green. Then I have another 50 doing a flash, and another 50 doing a double flash. So there's 500. I'll lay them out in a row here so we can see the full thing. All right, they're all laid out. 2 strings of 16 feet, 2 strings of 300, 2 strings of which I'm using 500. So it starts out from the power supply right there. We have the blue ones, 50. We have some red ones, that's 100. The green, 150. The purple, 200. The other green, 250. And finally, the pulsing purple here, that's 300. On the new strand, which is plugged in and running right back next to it, we have 350. Oh, actually, I messed up there. This little blue one running back and forth here would be 350. The green one that looks the same, kind of screwed me up there. The green one scanning back and forth is 400. Then we have the white ones, which are flashing. That's 450. And then we have green, 50 green flashing. That's 500 total. The other 100 here on the end of the string are not used. But there you go. There's 500 LEDs on a Mud Dart RC LED controller being controlled. As I said previously in the video, now I have 2 spools of 300 LEDs to cut and use any way I like. So there's the whole 500 again. There we go. So they do address 500 LEDs just like Mud Dart RC says.